Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is a backer session. One digit 10 rows.
9, 6, 8, 4, 6, 3, 8, 8, 7, 6. That is
65.
very good. Next 9, 1, 9, 3, 9, 4, 2, 6, 5, 4. That is
52.
very good. Next 7 minus 3, 8, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 8, 4, 3 minus 4. That is
19.
very good. Next 5, 9, 6, 3, 4, 9, 4, 5, 7, 8. That is
60.
very good. Next 5 minus 1, 3, 5 minus 8, 6 minus 3, 9 minus 7, 6. That is
15.
very good. Next 7, 6, 2, 7, 9, 9, 8, 2, 6, 7. That is
63.
very good. Next 4, 3, 2, 3, 5, 1, 5, 9, 5, 7, 4. That is
46.
very good. Next 6 minus 2, 6, 1 minus 6, 8 minus 5, 2, 8 minus 9. That is
9.
very good. Next 8, 6, 2, 9, 6, 8, 5, 8, 3, 2. That is
57.
very good. Next 5, 2, 4, 7, 5, 7, 7, 1, 6, 5. That is
49.
very good. 7 minus 4, 5, 4 minus 5, 7 minus 3, 4, 6 minus 6. That is
15.
very good. 6, 7, 9, 5, 1, 5, 3, 5, 5, 2. That is
48.
very good. Next 9, 4, 6, 9, 6, 9, 8, 8, 6, 8. That is
73.
very good. 6 minus 3, 7, 7 minus 3, 8 minus 3, 8, 2 minus 7 minus 4. That is
18.
very good. 5, 8, 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9, 8, 9. That is
74.
next 8, 9, 1, 9, 9, 6, 7, 1, 6, 9. That is
65.
very good. 5 minus 1, 5, 2 minus 3, 8 minus 7, 9 minus 8, 3. That is
13.
very good. This
Thank
is
you.